आज चैप्टर 5 करेंगे अर्थमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन एक्सरसाइज 5.2 इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर्मूलीज। an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d and common difference d is a2 minus a1। थर्ड में sn is equal to n upon 2a plus n minus 1 into d। फोर्थ में हमारे पास sn का फॉर्मूला n अपॉन 2 a plus an। Question first, fill in the blanks in the following table given that a is the first term, d is common difference and an is the nth term of ap। फर्स्ट पार्ट हमारे पास गिवन है a is equal to 7, d is equal to 3, n is equal to 8 and an हमें फाइंड आउट करना है। an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d। an is equal to a given 7 plus n 8 minus 1 into d is 3। a 7, d 3 and n is equal to 8। an is equal to 7 plus 8 minus 1, 7 into 3। an is equal to 7 plus 7 3s are 21। an is equal to 21 plus 7, that is equal to 28। given a is equal to 7, d is equal to 3, n is equal to 8 and we want to find the value of an। a is given 7, d is 3, n is 8 and an is equal to, as we know that an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d। put a is 7 here, n 8 minus 1, n is equal to 8, 8 minus 1 multiply by d 3। an is equal to 7 plus 8 minus 1, that is equal to 7 and 7 multiply by 3, 7 3s are 21, 21 plus 7, that is equal to 28, 28 answer। and second part given a is equal to minus 18, d we want to find, n is equal to 10 and an is equal to 0। as we know that an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d। an is here 0, an is equal to 0 and a is equal to minus 18 plus n is equal to 10, 10 minus 1 into d। an equal to 0, we put an is equal to 0 is here, a is equal to minus 18, a is equal to minus 18 plus n is equal to 10, 10 minus 1 into d, that is equal to minus 18 plus 9d। shifting 18 left side, that will be positive. 18 positive is equal to 9D, and we want to find the value of D. Then 18 divided by 9, and 9 2s are 18. D is equal to 2. Given A is equal to minus 18 and D, we want to find N is equal to 10, and An is also given, that is equal to 0. An is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. An is equal to 0. B put An is equal to 0, and A is equal to minus 18 plus N minus 1. N is here 10. 10 minus 1 into D. Shifting left side minus 18, that will be positive, and plus D is right side. D is equal to 18 divided by 9, and which is completely divisible by 2. So D is equal to 2. Answer. Next part, third. A, we want to find. D is equal to minus 3. N is equal to 18, and An is equal to minus 5. A, we want to find. D is minus 3, N is 18, and An is equal to minus 5. An is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D equal to minus 5 is equal to A plus N is here 18 minus 1 into D is equal to minus 3. Minus 5 is equal to A plus 18 minus 1, that is 17, multiplied by minus 3. Minus 5 is equal to A minus 17, 3s are 51, that is negative, plus multiply by minus, that gives a negative value, and shifting 51 left side, that is positive. 51 minus 5 is equal to A. A is equal to 51 minus 5, that is equal to 46. A, we want to find. D is minus 3, N is equal to 18, and An is equal to minus 5. An is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. An minus 5, A plus N is 18, 18 minus 1, multiply by D. D is minus 3. 18 minus 1, that is equal to 17, and 17 multiplied by minus 3, that is minus 51. Shifting left side, that gives a positive 51, and minus 5. 51 minus 5 equal to 46. A is equal to 46. Answer. Next part, fourth part. A is equal to minus 18.9. D is equal to 2.5. N, we want to find. An is equal to 3.6. An is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. An is given 3.6 is equal to A is minus 18.9 plus N minus 1 into D is equal to 2.5. 3.6 left side, shifting minus 18.9 to left, that is positive 18.9 is equal to n minus 1 into 2.5. Adding 18.9 plus 3.6, 9 plus 6 15, 1 carry, 9 plus 3 12, 2, that is 22.5 is equal to n minus 1. 2.5 multiplying here but dividing 2.5 left side. N minus 1 is equal to 225 multiplied by 10 and 25 divided by 10. 0 cancel, 0 से 0 cancel, 25 9s are 225. N minus 1 is equal to 9. N is equal to 9 plus 1. Then n is equal to 10. Given A is equal to minus 18.9, D is equal to 2.5, and we want to find AN is given 3.6. As AN is equal to N, A plus N minus 1 into D, put AN is here 3.6, A is given minus 18.9 plus N minus 1 into D, 2.5. We are shifting minus 18.9 to left and adding 18.9 and 3.6, we get 22.5, and 22.5 divided by 2.5, then we get 9. N minus 1 is equal to 9 means n is equal to 9 plus 1. Minus 1 shifting to right side, then n is equal to 9 plus 1. 9 plus 1 equal to 10. N is equal to 10. Answer. Fifth part given. A is equal to 3.5. D is equal to 0. N is equal to 105. AN we want to find. AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. AN is equal to A is here 3.5 plus N is here 105 minus 1 into D is 0. AN is equal to 3.5 plus and multiply by 0. 0 multiplied by something, that will be 0, and adding 3.5, we get AN is equal to 3.5. Given AN is equal to 3.5, D is 0, N is 105, and AN we want to find. AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. A is 3.5 plus N is 105. 105 minus 1, that is 104. When B multiply by 1 by 0, 104 multiply by 0, that will be 0, and 3.5 plus 0, that is also 3.5. 3.5 answer. Thank you so much.